Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix apps and games not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this issue, just you need to click on Start, then type Task Manager, then type Service, open Services. Now in this list you need to find out Windows Update, this one. So right click on it and click on Stop. Now close it. Now click on Start and search File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Now open local disk C, then Windows, then open software distribution. Now delete data store and also delete download. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix apps and games not opening in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.